Hey friends and followers, I know it's been a while. I've had a lot going on, to be honest. This hasn't been at the front of my mind, but I'm not going to bore you too much with the details, but I had a death in the family. I got really ill at one point, thought it was corona. It was not corona, so it's okay. It was just a thing that, an illness that got to a chest infection where I couldn't talk anymore for a while. So that was really fun. So I wasn't really in the mindset of doing any of this, but we're back. Hopefully for, this one was filmed just before I went ill, and that was just after my last video, so it's been a while for me to do any of this, so bear with a little bit. But yeah, so we're going to be doing which to be fair, the one I painted works quite well for this spooky season that we are in. So yeah, I got a little nice bat doing some spray painting on a wall, doing my hoax. So yeah, we're gonna rock that, and it all came together really well. So yeah, let's go. So we got the sketch on the wall. I done the doodle grid for the bat, and then I kind of just freehand the rest on the wall, and it came out pretty dope. Really happy how that came out. So yeah, then we move on to colour painting in some letters. I was doing some fades, doing some pretty much just fades on there. That's what I really went for, was a nice bold fade. Got a little tree of a spooky moon going on. Yeah, wasn't meant for Halloween, but you know me, I do quite a lot of this sort of style anyway, so it's just kind of every day for me. So yeah, we've done that. What did you do next? Oh yeah, then it was pretty much the end. It was pretty much the end of day. I'd had a bit of a late start, if I remember correctly, and security were up my arse for a while about being over there. So that was fun. So yeah, we finished up for that day, and that was awesome. And I came back the next day, and it was still there, perfectly fine. So I carried on the bat's head first, and I was sort of going to work my way down from there. And I tried adding this green stuff in, like a green glow, and weren't really liking how it was going, so I kind of scrapped most of that. But it was all good because the bat face came out dope. And then I worked onto his jacket and got all that filled in. I would have filmed a bit more of all of this, but as I said the day before, the security kept getting up my arse for out painting because we had some issues at this point with the spot we were painting. But it's all been resolved now and it's all good. But yeah, that was a bit of a fun one to deal with while trying to get in the zone of painting, you know. But anyway, so we've done that. Worked across onto his spray can, on the spray can, and his claw hand, kind of bony claw hand that I'd done for him. Then worked on the ground and the tree, and kind of made that nice and pop, and I put a nice glow behind the whole sort of scene, like kind of built it around, and I added a few little bats in places on there, and I don't know, I really enjoyed it. I really thought it came out nice and fun. Happy bat piece. It was cool. Let me know your thoughts, comments, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great time. Laters.